lad. It's not my rip-up.
Yeah. So yeah, right now I'm continuing the project with the fuel system. I'm doing a complete fuel upgrade, fuel system upgrade on the 320 2000 W210. Yeah, so right now I just got the fuel pump regulator, a couple lines, a couple AM fittings. So I'm gonna kind of like preset them right now. So see how that turns out. But yeah, so I want. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, I guess you can kind of say I'm taking this project to the next level. But you know, that's just me. When I go to a next level, I like to just kind of perfect it and master it and just go on. So, like for example, this car and the fuel system was acting up. Might have showed you another video when the car broke down on the highway for the fuel pump. And I think where the fuel pump was located, it was too far away from the tank. So I just want to customize everything, and that's how I'm fresh. So yeah, so you are going. So yeah, we got this here. Ready for it. So let's see. That. So yeah, then it kind of get this all preset. Back. So yeah, man, I got the injectors ready. So I'm ready. Get there. So yeah, man. Let's see what I got. Alright. Yeah, then install back in here. So yeah, man. I'll get there. That's a mechanic cat, you know. I'm ready to work too, you know. You see? You ready to work? Atate? That's you ready to work? You wanna play a worky? Ah? Yeah, play? Go play with it. You see that? Alright with the play. You ready to work? Huh? You wanna help me with the care? Yeah? That's what you wanna say? Alright, JJ. You gonna help me? Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I wanna straighten this up, and I actually got this bracket from the wire. This holds the wires inside the engine bay. So I just took that off, and I'm wondering if I can use this as a hanging rack for the mount here. So I'm gonna try to go back there, but I'll show you guys when I finish. So I'm gonna try to bend this, straighten that up, and go from there. What I want to do is mount that straight up correctly, right? Lag spread. Lag spread. I never tried this, so they call me the Black MacGyver. So I like to just use what I have. I'm gonna use my own resources and make things a little easier. And if I can see a way to go around it, I'll do so. This is just crazy how this bracket just lines up perfectly. I don't know, Mercedes. It's like I'll be reasoning with some people. Say, yo, they do this, we got you. So anyway, I'm gonna try it. Alright guys, so I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do the plumbing. Obviously this is gonna be your inlet, so it's gonna be coming from the bottom. And got a return on the bottom here, and this is gonna be the inlet to the injectors. Injector port should be right here. So yeah, definitely see what I want. The rest of these fittings here. And then trying to get, this is a 6 AN fitting. Go over that. Show you examples. This is a 6 AN Mercedes. I guess the 99 till 2004 used this injector rail. So see it drops right onto that. Boom bop. Vision in the sun. So yeah, boom. And here's blah blah blah. So yeah, the next thing I'll probably do is install this, check your rails, and then try to get my fitting preset for my hoses. So yeah.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Alright, so this is just a preset. Show you how it look. Yeah, I'll show you how I just use the same factory bracket and attached it to this. Just, you know, old-fashioned zip tie it, boom, right onto it. It flows really good, really simple. I'll show you more in detail how I did that. But yeah, it's sturdy. I'm not going nowhere with it. I'm not going nowhere. So yeah, everything good. Reinstall back the injectors. Gotta do the injectors, reinstallation, and then fuel line. Continuing the fuel line. So yeah, now we're back there. Quick update. I'll show you what I want. Yeah, so there. The line set over here too. Yeah, so pretty much gonna have it flowing like so. Bolt back straight. So I'm gonna wrap this, and then the mounts for the filters are coming, I don't know, sometime this week or next week. So yeah, see what I want. Yeah. Anyway, get that going. Boop, bop, bop, boop. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, after y'all bosh this up, should let you guys know what time it is. Fish can't show because of the light. Hold on. You understand? I tell you the 44, right? 044. For sure. Y'all can go check that. You know that what I'm talking about is official. So, and then not no cheap little pump either. So, yeah, man. Well, I did have a cheap pump and then learned a lesson. Anyway. Yeah, so don't need that anymore. Get rid of that. Straight delete. And yeah, see how the process is. Still, this is the 6 AN fitting. Still waiting for more to come with some other fittings. And I have a 10 AN. I have a 10 AN short that I'm gonna install to flex out. Let me show you. So I'm gonna be having it like a dual entrance going into the pump. Understand? The filter. So I'm gonna have it coming in both ways. I want to. So I have to have a 10 AN fitting for this, and then I'll probably go from 10 to 8 AN, and then I have to have a conversion. It's a 8 AN male to a 8 AN flat with what do you call it, with bushing, or you call it washer ring. So something similar to this, right? But this one, it has a flat head. You can see me trying to, and I was like, oh no. So yeah, it has a flat head. You have to have a proper one. So similar to what this is right here, if I can get the focus right. So it's a flat to this. So it's pretty much, you see how this go on. So this is an 8 AN flat, I want to call it. There's probably more of a scientific name for it, but that goes on to that. But you see how I don't want that. So I want this head onto this, and then I'll be able to convert it to the 8, right? So then I'll be able to run 10, 8, and then out of here I'll be running 6 AN into the secondary filter. So yeah, so it'll be like a stepper, I guess pump system, whatever. But yeah, let's see what I'm going. Yeah. All right, guys, I'll catch you soon. All right, so I'm gonna do the installation of the injectors. I had to wait for the new clamp rings to come in. So yeah, it took a couple days for that. But yeah, everything good, ready, Teddy. So I'm gonna do the install. So alright, so got it installed. We're good. Good. We go mash them donuts. Yeah. Alright, so installed the fuel rail, the injectors. These injectors I sit a little bigger, so it actually makes the fuel rail sit up higher. So it actually gives it a cleaner look to me, because the fuel rail used to sit lower. So I mean, just like maybe a couple centimeters, you know, maybe 10-15 centimeters lower, but now it's, or millimeters I should say, lower, or now higher. So yeah, everything flush up, everything matching. So gonna try to do the plumbing for the fuel line. Probably these come like pre-cut, so we'll see what I want. All right, guys. Alright, so halfway there, we got the first button up, and we're gonna do the second half. It's gonna replace the clamps with the, just the universal clamps rather than the Mercedes. He's getting the bigger one there now. So we're gonna put those back on, or ready to go?
This one ready.
Alright, press. Alright, guys, got the new one. They put it on nice, good, back to factory, fresh. replacement. So yeah, good job, huh? I'm having fun off there. So yeah, we're gonna do a cold start. Well, I mean, it's kind of hot, but it's still gonna be a cold start. So anyway,
Start it now?
yeah, we can go ahead and start it. I'm gonna get out the car just in case. I know nothing wrong, but that's just my paranoia. All good though. Put the cap back on, tighten the cap. Yeah, we'll just do a little cold start. All right, guys, yeah. So, all right, guys, we're gonna do a nice cold start. Make sure everything running. Go through the cycles. Woo! Yeah, man, thing sounds strong. Fresh pump.
And the pump right good?
Good, man. Yeah, man, you did a good job, man. Easy 1, 2, 3, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we back at it, you know? I'll knock it out again. So, yeah, we're on this. Huh?
Coming from every direction, so I'm like,
Yeah.
is my car trying to accelerate or?
Yeah, man, gone, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, all right, so.
It's all good, bro.
Yeah, man, we're gonna wrap this up, continue the journey. All right, yeah, bless. Okay, all right, guys, so what I'm gonna do now is install the fuel line and the fuel system. So I'll show you what I have. So I have all the line. This is the 6. This is actually an 8. No. This is a 10 AN. This is a 10 AN to a 6 AN fitting with the adapter. So I'm running that now. And it is from. This is what? This is the return line that I have here, right? So, and then my inlet is up front. I'll show you guys that. But I have that's the 40 micron fuel pump, and then this is the 100 micron into the dual. I'll show you a little bit better when I have it all cleared up. I have twin set, and I put it there. Then I'm gonna run this into. What are you doing, Sarah? You see, I have this is the I guess inlet line, right? And then the return line is gonna be on the bottom here. So I have all these connections here. I have to connect up, but I might start from the back. We'll see. I might start from the back and I work my way up to the front. So yeah, so we'll all go on. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this little mat like that, alright? So see what I want. So that's a double connect to here. Those connect. Another connect. That's gonna be a 6 a.m. and then straight down there. And then these are just one of the evaporator and pressure regulator. And the return line's gonna be coming up there. Which this is the return line. So I'm just gonna be having this. That up there. There's right. So return.
What's that on leads? On leads. I will not have on leads. Sure.
Alright guys, this is what I have so far. Let's see how it line up.
Let's start from the left. And then go. Alright. Right over it.
Connection, push. They look like this something now. Straight. Feed. Alright. Come back. 2 return lines. So I got it running. Straight. Oh, sorry, guys. Yeah.
I wanted to just see how it is. You know what I'm saying?
Official start.
Yeah, the phone.
Official. well-grounded root boy. First in the world, W210 with a racing fuel cell and a brand new fuel system, custom made. So what do you think? What do you think?
What?
About that?
Yeah,
Beautiful.
Man. Yeah, man. See how the first blow up now?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
What is the pressure you want to have?
I think I like 40. Going back out 40.
Official, well-grounded root boy. What do you think?
Yeah, man. That shit's rich as hell, though. I have to open up the window.
Okay.
Yeah, man, everything good. Yeah. I would get it dyno tuned now and see where I'm going. I still gonna have a little smokies, but I think that shit's from all the buildup, all the old stuff that was on there before. So, but yeah, so far so good. Just started up. You have to get her dialed in. I think the injectors are pushing too much gas right now, so I have to get it tuned. Get her tuned. So we'll see. See where I'm going. Yeah, man. Yeah.
I see your car. Nice. Yeah, I'm blessed. Yeah.
What do you think?
I like it. I like it.
Yeah man, we too respect. The car is awesome. Bless.
Clean, man, clean.
Not bad, huh? It's an automatic, but you know, it's a daily. You're gonna eventually convert it and all that stuff, but she drive good, you know? So yeah, man, we'll see what I go on, you know? Job, bless and respect, you know? Brother here helping me out. Yeah? Yo. That's it, brother here, you know?
Project is done.
Rev it up 2 times. 2 steps. Alright, yo, we catch you live, yeah? God bless them. Alright.